Now, when you buy a piece of property that has an improvement, such as a land that has a house or a building on the property, the IRS lets you depreciate the structure. Now, we know that values go up, so it sounds almost counterintuitive, but in theory at least, the structure does devalue, depreciate, wear out. So the IRS gives you a tax deduction against the income from that property or other properties that are in the same class as an offset from the income that you earn. So, for example, you could be earning on a rental property $5,000 or $6,000 a year in positive net income. So rent minus expenses, mortgage, taxes, you can actually have $5,000 to $6,000 net income in your pocket. But once you take the deduction for depreciation against it, which is just a paper loss, it's not a real loss, it will offset or wash it so you pay no tax on that income. And if you can create a loss, which is not that difficult to do, not in reality, we're still making money, but on paper, if we can create a loss, we can take that loss and then use it to wash against other income and reduce our taxes. So let me give you an example. So let's say you have a house over here. That's my house. Okay? And let's say your net income is, like we said, $5,000 per year. Okay? Now, if you can depreciate this, and let's say based on the value of this house, you get a $7,000 per year deduction for depreciation, at least on paper, you lost $2,000. But you didn't really lose $2,000. You actually made $5,000. But on paper, we're telling the IRS, legally, ethically, that we lost $2,000. Now that's great because we didn't have to pay any income tax on the $5,000 in the first place, but now we have this loss. What else can we do with that? So let's say you have another business over here, or you have another job over here, or you have other rentals that are making money over here that are not creating a paper loss. You can take this over here and wash out some of the taxes on some of that income and reduce the overall taxes you pay. Depreciation on rental properties is one of the great gifts that the IRS gives us. And if you're paying too much in taxes now, you just need more deductions. Owning rental real estate is one of the great ways to create the depreciation deduction to offset so that you pay rarely, if any, income tax on your other activities.